와인을 안 갖고 왔어요.
안 해?
Like keeps her company.
Look what my mom packed me for lunch. Actually, I'm not really hungry. I just want coffee.
What, not enough cleavage? Oh
No,
my god, those!
I'm covering it.
You're not wearing that!
Nothing. There's a little bit of
Huh?
cream.
Mocha. Oh man, you need coffee with that, huh? Oh wow, there's a... Oh. It's like if you dip a bread into a coffee and then...
Don't try it. It's almost over.
2022! Gang.
맛있다 먹어도 돼.
어?
되게 맛있다. You guys, why are all Starbucks so busy? Like drive-through inside. I was supposed to take highway back home, but I am taking the local to find the next Starbucks where it's not so busy. Thank you. Happy New Year. Now I remember what I had to do. I'm gonna go buy some cake. So this is my late lunch. I'm definitely having dinner. It's a holiday. I'm gonna have dinner. I don't know. I wasn't really creative. This sous vide, this chicken breast. Oh my gosh, you guys! If you sous vide chicken breast, you could eat it every day, all day. Mine wasn't quite ready, so I microwaved a little too long. So it's not as soft anymore. I have a little bit of rice. This is sesame oil, salt, and pepper, and some seaweed. A really good chicken breast. 맛있다. If you sous vide it long enough, if it's cooked perfectly, you don't even need the sauce. You can just eat the chicken breast and it's so good. 맛있다. I directly sous vide it with the packaging. If you look at the packaging, it says it's ready for cooking or ready for use. That's why I don't bother to take it out, put it in a different, like wash it in a different bag and cook it. So good. You know those king oyster mushrooms? Those are so good with this. I don't have one today. I actually didn't work out today. I don't feel guilty. I think you need to take a break and everything. So I've done this like before, but I stopped and then I gained weight, and now like I'm doing it again more consistently, and it's like a little over a month. Whenever I take a break, I think of it as just like, oh, I'm just taking a break so that I'm not burnt out and I'll feel better and I'll work out harder. I just don't try to go overboard with eating. I mentioned it in my mukbang, recent mukbang, that I don't have so much greed over food. I mean, I love good food. I love fatty food, but it's not to the point where like, oh my god, I'm gonna like stuff myself. And I don't really have cheat days anymore because I realized that drives me actually nuts and I overeat. This, I could eat it like almost every day, but the sous vide takes too long. It depends on what you're looking for, what you consider ideal body. It's different for everybody, but for me, I feel like everyone, like 1 in 3, have this beautiful idyllic body. Or I've been thinking that last year, or like almost my entire life. Now I'm starting to realize how unhealthy that is, how I look up to someone else's body, because everyone's different, everyone's a different body. I'm never gonna be happy or content if I look up to those bodies and like try to work out to look like that. When I work out at home, I watch one of the like a home workout videos. One of the video I watched said you should compare your body to yesterday. not to somebody else, not some other photo like this or some celebrity, and improve and change. That, I don't know if I'm saying it right, I don't know if I'm getting the message through, but that really got to me. It made everything so much easier, more laid back. Maybe I won't see result as fast as some people who eat very low calorie, very specific diet, but I'm very, very happy and content. I love my life right now. I'm so content. I don't know how else to put it. I'm so content and I'm happy with the steps that I'm taking, and I feel like I could do this for the rest of my life. I've been hearing a lot from YouTube videos and these girls who succeeded diet that you need to eat, you need to work out, where you could do this for the rest of your life, because that's basically what staying healthy, staying fit, dieting is. So that is the message of today. Ta-da! Yum yums. Ah, food wars.
どんな眺めなのか。
はて、俺は久しぶりにその時点で料理人として成り上がる。
ギリギリの底辺であがいていればいい。どうせ選抜メンバーにも選ばれやしないでしょうしね。
選抜？
Look at all these. Oh my. This one's my favorite. These two. Other ones are like good, but like they're so-so. My parents got this as a Christmas gift from one of their friends. Guess who's eating all of it? There was another tray on top of this. We killed it. I ate most of them. Not much. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm.
口に広がる。
そいつが生のイオンだ。生の葉はドライリーフの10倍以上の。比べてみてくれ。
I want some pho.
Yeah.
Should we get some pho?
That sounds dope.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! 2022! That sounds so weird. Did you ever really think about that you're gonna be alive in 2022? We're the 1900s, baby.
That's a weird way to put it.
Right? So we're on our way to get some tteokguk, the rice dumpling soup cake. You eat it every
Keiki
New Year's
to get aged.
to gain another year of knowledge. But I'm really hungry because we ate pretty late yesterday. We ate some like fries and then we ate this Wellington. I don't know. I was eating like a hamburger. He was mad at me. And I just ate it like, I got this nut butter bar chocolate chip cookie dough.
Dang.
Ugh. Not bad. Not bad. 아, 파트너일 거 그랬다 그냥.
From Bugs?
응.
You call them?
Yeah.
What's up?
Do you want coffee?
Do you want coffee?
Text it to us.
Cold brew with oat milk.
Ask her if she wants it hot or cold.
You know, I realize I hate doing this kind of stuff. Ordering.
Really?
Yeah.
I love
Can
it.
we get this? 그게 너무 싫어.
No, so I went to get the cake from Body Buckets yesterday.
Yeah.
My god, the line was almost at the door.
And you actually.
Both I waited. It was the last cake.
You are a wild one, hey. I cannot do that. I'm not. Just.
You gotta do what you gotta do. I want tall ice americano. Yeah. Delivery. Oh, and then the red cup. He knows. There you go.
My man like it? He's enjoying
Like it,
it?
yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Can see! What could we possibly do at this weather?
I wanna go camping.
Yeah, baby!
가루?
No, I don't like that.
That was pretty good. It was spicy.
양념.
He thinks he could finish this.
I might work out twice tomorrow.
Take it. 맛있네. 맛있다. 맛있어. I know why you eat it now. Ba 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 ba.